Hello, you're on video 907, fractal bucket part N. My name is Kanji Coder. You're on the fast code review. For a slower code review, you can go here, but you are in the speed run, and the source code is here, and we need to go now. So in the illegal stuff monkey wrench macro section, we have some wrong members. This is a new section, and the member names are not this, and they are not this. They are M underscore, and whatever the fuck this is, if you can read it. Okay, let's go down here. So in database system, in the fractal helper static data section, if we scroll down here, we have refactored this struct, the D fractal helper hit area struct, member hit tile size exponent converted to an inclusive selection in tiles. This is a lookup table for an inclusive selection of tiles, and we have refactored this from a G to an E. So in video 902, we originally wrote these lines of code, and we have refactored these lines of code in video 907. Let's go down to the next section. So in the fractal helper function section, within this function, we have been working on the click helper function, I guess, right? We can take a three-dimensional click, we take a three-dimensional tile click, we convert it to hit area, scrolling down into this function, right here in the strip for me section right here. Let's go highlight this. This is a little fucking breakpoint right there. Inside of the strip for me section, we have an assertion. SMC, which stands for Smack Me Carmack. Smack Me John Carmack. It should be exactly equal to both this and this input. So we're just kind of reducing some mental indirection here. Inside of the Calculate Me Daddy section. Inside of this section, if we scroll down into the size matters loop, we have done some more refactoring. So on the Smack Me Carmack struct, this member variable hit tile size exponent converted to the inclusive selection area of tiles. This was a G, it is now an E. In video 903, we originally wrote these lines of code, and in video 907, we are refactoring. Okay, I'll go down here. So in the Big Daddy branch right here, same idea. This was originally a G, it's now an E. We have refactored it in 907. Down here in the Small King branch, this was a G, it is now an E. It has been refactored in video 907. That is all we did. That's all we did. It was just a simple goddamn refactor. I am out of fucking time. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a fully destructible fractal geometry Bomberman game. If you like Bomberman, you need to like and subscribe. My name is Kanji Coder.